In online courses, the person who makes the most money is very often not the expert. It's the one who builds the course out of the expert's head. And you can run that same job solo, for regular experts, and almost nobody is doing it. Everyone tells you to make your own course. This is the opposite. You build courses out of other people's knowledge. You're not the teacher, you're the architect. They bring the expertise, you bring the one thing they're missing, and you get paid a fee, a share of every sale, or both. Why can't they just do it themselves? Because of the curse of knowledge. Once you know something deeply, you can't remember what it was like not to know it. So the expert skips the basics and loses every beginner, who are exactly who the course is for. They can't see the gap. It's invisible to them, but it won't be invisible to you. And that's the whole reason an outsider builds the better course. So here's how you actually build one in 5 steps. Find the right expert. Book them for 3 short sessions. Extract the course out of their head. Structure it so a beginner can follow and get paid. We're walking every step. One thing first. We wrote this whole method up, the scripts, the templates, the contracts, as a blueprint at ideasrepay.com. I'm teaching you the method free, either way. Okay, step 1. Step 1. Find the right expert. You want one specific gap, someone with real knowledge, and an audience who'd buy from them. But no course yet. They're everywhere. A pro on LinkedIn, a creator whose comments keep asking, is there a course? A newsletter writer with nothing to sell. 10 minutes each confirms the gap. Build a list of 20. That's an expert sitting on money, and you're the one who unlocks it. Step 2. The offer that gets the yes. Never ask an expert to make a course. That sounds like months of work. Instead, you say, give me 3 sessions, and I'll handle everything else. Session 1. You nail the transformation. Session 2. The deep extraction, where you pull the knowledge out. Session 3. They review it and you record. A few hours of their time, and you carry all the rest. Step 3. Extraction. This is the heart of it, and it's the reason you get paid. Let me show you what it actually looks like. Picture someone whose cooking is unreal. You ask, how do I know when the dough is ready? And they say, oh, you just know. It springs back when you poke it. Stop right there. That's gold. To them, it's obvious. They've done it 10,000 times. But to a beginner, that one sentence is a whole lesson nobody ever taught them, and you only caught it because you didn't know. That is the entire secret. Your confusion is the quality control. Underneath it, 4 moves. 1. Find the transformation. One journey, not everything they know. 2. Stop the ramble and pull them back to the beginner's first step. 3. Dig out the tacit gold they do without thinking. 4. Put it in the order understanding is built. Run those, and you can pull a course out of anyone, in any field. Step 4. You turn that gold into an actual course. Start from the transformation and work backwards. That backward chain becomes your modules, each broken into short lessons with one clear point, in the order that builds understanding. Then you match the format to the expert. Camera shy, but sharp on frameworks, slides with their voiceover. A charismatic coach, on camera. Something done on a screen, screen recording. And through all of it, they check it for accuracy, so it's right without you being the expert. Step 5. You get paid, and this is where it gets serious. One build as a flat fee runs from several $1,000s to $25,000 and up. The agencies that do this charge up to $50,000, and they're bloated and out of reach for most experts. A lean solo architect serves everyone they price out. But the real money is revenue share. You take a percentage of every sale for years. Picture a course that sells 6 figures to an engaged audience, and you hold 25% of it. Margins run 80 to 90%, and a well-built course sells for 3 to 10 times a do-it-yourself one. 1 to 2 builds a month, or a few revenue shares stacking up, and you're running a $5,000 to $50,000 a month business. Remember, Masterclass spent over $1 million building one class. The build is where the value is, and that's the seat you're taking. And you can start this week for free. Find someone whose skill is unreal and run a real extraction on them. Then take one expert you found online and sketch a one-page outline of the course they could build. That outline is your proof. You show them their own knowledge, suddenly organized into something sellable. Now, the honest part. Extraction is a real skill. Your first few will be clumsy, and revenue share is a genuine bet. But that's the moat, because almost nobody else will do the work. You have the whole method now. What we built at ideasrepay.com/blueprints/course architect is the part that gets you from I understand it to I finished it and got paid. The exact scripts, the templates, the contracts, and the playbook for landing your first client. It's us holding your hand to a finished product. Come finish it with us. So, sit with this. Would you rather spend years becoming the expert in one narrow thing, or become the architect who can walk into any field on earth and build a business out of someone else's 20 years? Because the expert has the knowledge, you'd be the one who turns it into something the world can actually learn and buy. And that is rarer and worth more than knowing any single subject.